Welcome. The following video will provide insight on selecting general parameters, starting a new project in the one-click LCA software. Once a new project has been created, users can access the general parameters through the button placed atop the different project alternatives, next to the Add a Design option. Clicking this will show a drop-down menu in which we can select parameters for the lifecycle assessment and lifecycle cost analysis. The IGS license does not yet support lifecycle cost analysis. Inside the LCA parameter page, we can find first the default replacement period for materials. These variables are used to calculate how often materials are replaced within the project's lifecycle. It is recommended to leave it as a technical service life. Second, the default value for transportation distances can be selected based on the project location. Based on this, initial transportation distances will be set when selecting any and all materials. Depending on the country of origin, different energy grids could be used when manufacturing different materials. For this, the software allows to adjust grid energy use and efficiency based on localization. It is suggested to use the recommended setting for localization method, while selecting the corresponding country for the localization target. When considering Stage C, different waste management and overall end-of-life scenarios can be selected. The end-of-life calculation method allows us to set the default value as the preferred market activity, or the predefined activity in the environmental product declaration if available. Likewise, there are some country-specific end-of-life scenarios. The same parameters are available for Module D regarding energy recovery. These parameters are set as default values. Transportation distances, end-of-life scenarios, and localization targets can all be modified for each individual component when inputting data in the lifecycle inventory. Once all parameters have been set, we must go to the top of the page and click on the Save button. Afterwards, we're free to return to the project page.